Guys, as we speak, kura ni gutarwo ciratarwo kuria Olkalao, and let me tell you guys, Kamau ni atongoretie na tigite mucina na distance nene muno. In fact, kuria mundu gwitwo mucina aikirie kura, Kamau amuhotete na kura nyingi muno, na thutha wariji mwena go sense defeat nikio wonire matumire borithi na plainclothes mathi mahangaicia andu kuria Olkalao. Guys, ndende mugerie thĩinĩ wa polling station ciothe already iria citangathĩte kura, iria citangathĩtwo kura thĩinĩ wa polling station icio ciothe iria kura cirĩkĩtie gũtangathwo, alafu tucoke tuthie thĩinĩ wa tallying yothe tuone thaa ici ithaa rĩrĩ Kamau ena kura cigana, mucina ena kura cigana na mutigite na kura cigana. Like tuthie polling station kuringana na uria matokea maroka maumite. Kwena Kibendera Primary School ko voter turnout yumani ni muno, Kamau 58, mucina 10. Kwena Rutara Primary, Sami Kamau 348, mucina 26. Kamau ena 93% ko. Nituthie riri Kioi Primary, Kamau 109, mucina 32. Nituthi Nyakiambi Stream 1, Kamau 303, mucina 41. Nituthi Mirangini Primary School Stream 2, Kamau 203, mucina 18. Icio nicio kura iria cirikitie kuingira. And by the way, kwena Huruma Primary School Stream 1, where mucina voted this morning. Woko ni kuria mucina aikirie Huruma Primary School. Taigwa ideto. Sami Kamau Ngotho 265, mucina 44. Kuria mucina aikirie kura Roshine Huruma ena kura 44, nake Sami Kamau ena kura 265. Now guys, like tuthie riri kura iria cirikitie gutarwo ciothe Kamau ena cigana na mucina ena cigana, tondu ohotani uyu ne witu. Ohotani uyu ne witu guys. Like tuthie ruturore as we speak now, daishi we 6:13 hwaini, Kamau ena kura cigana na mucina ena kura cigana. Guys, as per now, polling station iria already kura cirikitie gutarwo ni 13 polling station out of 144. Sami Douglas Kamau ena kura 2,864. Samuel Muchina ena kura 432. Sami Douglas Kamau Waweru ena kura 2,864. Nake Samuel Muchina ena kura 432. That is, Kamau ena 86%, nake mundu ugwetwo Muchina ena 13%. Guys, oguo niguo kwathi na mbere thaici na Kamau niwe utongoretie. Now, lakini mwire kaundu uri gweka muthenya wa umuthi, tho hena story yo ndamba kumwira hau thutha, ndamwira atiriri uria gukuhuanaga kana uria guguthiaga na mbere, uria cikuhutia mundu auga kwena andu megutwarite ballot boxes kundu ucio ni undu by the way kurite mukode, na ni undu by the way tamenya kana niguo kana tiguo. Uria ho ni atiriri gitumi kiria kinene giatuma regime eno mathi matware borithi kuria hegweno gwathuka muno muthenya borithi cina plainclothes ni undu mwe ni tondu ni masensire defeat, ni mamenyire kou matire na giti kiu. Kwena tiriki imwe mwena wa DCP urahuthirire, and this is one of the best trick they used ko encourage andu akore Olkalao maumire tene mathi magaikia kura, egetha hingo ino ngui cirarehwo already kura ni cigukorwo cikitio. Umuthi thinashara kure Olkalao andu mauma rainini. Umuthi ona ti thinashara thaa 11 wamubie gucokithio thaa cigana, wamubie abiri gucokithio kwina nduma kuguma thaa 11 na kuguo hingo ino kugeria kuingira Huruma polling station kure mucina kiriore avoteire. So at Olkalao they were told matika momire tene mathi maikia kura, and that's the trick that it has worked today. Todo magiuka thaa kurehe ngui, magakurehe ngui around thaa 8 thaa 9, already majority of the people had voted. In fact, ona thaici ati mathaa maya kweria kurehe ballot paper cina maratathi already maya mangĩ me secured, but like twetere tuone you see the gap area mucina atigĩtwo nayo as we speak, gap ĩyo ndangĩhota kũrecover thaici. Gap ĩyo ĩgũthiĩ ĩkĩongererekaga, gap ĩyo ĩgũthiĩ ĩgĩkoragwo inene mũno angĩkorwo polling station yake already nĩ acindĩtwo ĩkũrĩa kũngĩ, angĩkorwo kũrĩkĩirie kura nĩ ahotetwo ĩkũrĩa kũngĩ. You see, what will happen after Odoyo wekika, ladies and gentlemen? Regime ino, it has stood too low. It has stood too low kweria kuhura andu na already andu ni madecidete. Odoyo fata wekika muthenya umuthi, guys. Ni andu kugereria, ni andu kuonania thigari icio, ni video gutamba guko nenda-ini, thigari plain cloth meyohete othio magitharikira polling station kuri Olkarau, na andu a Olkarau marugama. Yani andu Olkarau ni tungati. Ici ni ciana cia Mau. Ici ni ciana cia Mau. Tondu onio mekuingataga andu aya mumana plain cloth. In fact, gutikundu muri muona thigari cigisacho ni muingi. O mothe muone Olkarau jeshi igisacho ni andu. Raia magasearch bagi cia jeshi ni kura muka nacio kana mweka gwikate guko. Na thigari icio matinaruta fujo mahingura bagi undu tare wonekana. So andu akuri Olkarau gwiciria ni overpower andu ana njira nene muno. But anyway, tondu ni polling station 13 out of 144 ndikwenda kwaria muno, reke tugetagirira tonera guthi na mbere, ladies and gentlemen, reke tweterere tuone uria mumira meguthi makigagira, but green smoke nironekana kule mwena wa Olkarau. Green smoke nironekana kule mwena wa Olkarau, na naitwa rega muno by the way. Ketete tuone uria mumira mekumira no muthi thirikari ino ni act very petty. Thirikari ino ndigitrustika. Thirikari ino ekwenda ko overturn the will of the people Olkarau. Ado Mount Kenya region magatomeka. Rege G is very powerful. He gonna alter statement on attacks iria cikwenda wikika thutha uyu. Tutire turaciona hino cikike baadaye, no Rege G thutha wa kwaria thaa ishwaine na ku expose nyao nao mareka maundu macio, ku expose hoteli iria maundu macio marekirwo ni kwa huana ta kwa horera. In fact, adu mavapaira adu acio ma retreat mathi ninge gufangana ringi theni wa hoteli fulani, hoteli iratinde kigwetwo guko nenda-ini. But anyway, excellency, tonia maundu meguthi maikarite undu wothe ukiumira, ladies and gentlemen, ni eta Kikuyu podcast goka ngimumeithagia kila undu, goka ngimwiraga kila undu uria urathi na mbere, nigumeithia everything that is going on thini wa Olkarau, uria kura ciathi na mbere cikingiragira, no hotanite matiganite na kura cigana. Kamau atongoretie na kuraihu muno. In fact, mushina kwene gukinyira Kamau itakuwa ngumu sana, na matingimutangatha by force, kwani Anyway, podcast manu manyu. Thank you, God bless.